Do you need more than one financial advisor? Maybe it's a question you've already been asking yourself or something you've never considered. In deciding if it's right for you, ask yourself how much of a difference it makes in your life when you look at multiple points of view. For me, living with my wife and raising 3 daughters, you can imagine I was always surrounded by a lot of strong opinions. To this day, when we're discussing some current event around the dinner table, one of my grown daughters will ask, "Dad, have you thought about it this way?" It's a good reminder how empowering it can be to at least consider different viewpoints. And it can also be true with financial advice. If you have one financial advisor, ask yourself, have your returns always met your expectations? Are there some things you or your advisor haven't even considered yet? And what if there are some opportunities that are available to you now that just weren't available when you started investing? If the answer is yes, you might benefit from a different point of view. Think of it this way. If your primary doctor is concerned about your heart, what does he do? Or what about your eyes? Well, he sends you either to a cardiologist or to an ophthalmologist. If he treated all those things on his own, you might worry a little bit. We've been around long enough to know that we can't be experts in everything or even try to be. But at Porter Investments, we strive to be experts in protecting your assets while your portfolio is growing, so that when that bear market rears its head, you already have the controls in place to not only survive, but to keep growing. If you want to consider a more specialized and focused approach to protect at least part of your retirement assets, then give us a call.